Here I have Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Infinix logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. Just like this. And you see this XOS and no command. Hold down power key and press volume up once. And in the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, reboot to boot loader. And after that you will enter this so-called boot mode. So as you can see, these letters here saying fast boot mode, which is the proof that we're in this so-called boot mode. So if you want to quit this boot mode, which is quite fast, you have to hold down power key for 8 seconds. And after that, device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.